Hey gang, Poppy here. This is number 4 in my posters to YouTube. Subjects are copycatting, me tooing, and what was the third one? Oh yes, group activities. Okay, now, copycatting. I know you want to do something to separate your channel from all the others. Maybe a little touch of humor. A lot of people do that. Don't do what other creators do for their little bit of humor. A specific example. This old Tony, he puts Lego men on his lathe and his milling machine, his surface grinder. That's cute. It's taken. Okay? Anything else, that funny thing that other creators do? Don't copy them. That shows a definite lack of creativity, that you copy someone else's comedy shtick. Now, I can't speak for other creators, but I myself know that you don't have the creativity to do your own funny shtick. How good is your work going to be? Yeah. Okay. Me Tooism. Every once in a while, a YouTube machinist makes something for his shop. And it's really good. All the other YouTube machinists, they want one. So they make it. Or they make their version of it. That's okay if you want that thing. If you're just doing it to me too, if all your friends were sticking their private parts in the light socket, would you? Yeah. Okay, group activities. Things like the tool making competition. Until this year, it's been Emma's spare room machine shop tool making competition. It may be this year. Then again, Emma's talking about she's thinking of competing. So someone else is going to have to run the tool making competition. Okay. The competitions. Creators say, we're going to do this. This is the hashtag for these. Join in. Those are good ways to build up your channel, make a couple of friends. Me specifically, in 2019, entered Emma's tool making competition. The first year is because she said, there's only 2 people entered my competition. Somebody enter. I knew I wasn't going to win, but I knew I could have fun and I might make a friend or 2. So it didn't bother me that I didn't win. Last year, 2020, I entered again. Have fun. Make a friend or 2. And of course I lost. This year, I am fervently hoping that there is a tool making competition 2021, because I want to join the ranks of people who have lost 3 years in a row. I know there are people who lost 3 years in a row. If not, maybe I can be the first. And, I might have to tone the quality of my work down because it's getting too good lately. There might actually be a chance of someone to like my stuff. And I can't be a 3-year running loser if my if my tool is too good. But anyway, copycatting. Definite lack of creativity at best. What if the creator you're copying their shtick thinks you're making fun of them? Then you lost a friend. And potentially for other friends of theirs. So be careful about copying other YouTube creators. Me Tooism. If you really want one of them things for your shop, great. But if you're just doing it to, run with the big dogs, well, you know what you got to be able to do if you want to run with the big dogs. And the weeds don't get no shorter just because you're a little doggy. Okay. That's that. But the group activities are a very good way to network with people who do what you do on YouTube, make a friend or two, and have fun. That's the most important part. You enter a contest, go into it. I'm going to have fun. Maybe I'll make a friend. Win? Who, me? If you go in it that way, it'll be much more pleasant than, I'm the best. No way I'm going to lose. And you go, oh, that son of a bitch. My polished turds are much better than his. Good night from California.